Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin at the machine with ID and the cash amount you want to buy. This is critical because many machines enforce limits and KYC. Tap Buy Bitcoin and choose cash or card. The machine asks for your phone number or email for a receipt. Once done, open your wallet app and display the Receive QR code. This is where the machine will send funds. Make sure the wallet address is correct. It controls where your coins land, so double-check visually. Once your wallet QR is scanned, the machine shows the exact address and the amount it will send after fees. Check the first and last 4 characters to confirm it's your address. Next, insert cash slowly. The display updates a running total and shows the fee percentage so you know the net Bitcoin amount. When the displayed amount matches your intent, press Confirm. This finalizes the send instruction to the kiosk and authorizes the cash-to-crypto exchange. So pause and verify before you hit Confirm. You finish by waiting for the machine to broadcast the transaction. It will show a confirmation screen, and your wallet should receive a pending transaction notice. If the wallet does not show anything within a few minutes, take a photo of the machine screen and note the transaction ID. This makes support much faster. If the machine fails, contact the operator with your ID, exact time, and transaction ID. They can trace the broadcast and either reissue funds or refund your cash.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.